Hi all, today we'll be talking about product owner course. I'm Maninder Rathod and I'm working in an IT company as a product owner. I will go through you what is the responsibility of product owner, why we need the product owner, what he will do, how he do. So before starting this video, I will just tell you this video will be beneficial for whom. So this will be beneficial for a product owner who is already working to upskill themselves, plus a person who is working as a business analyst in IT company. Because we say people say okay, product owner is an extended version of business analyst, and then it will also help the project managers sometimes to in it's depend on the company. Sometimes the associate product manager is also called as a product owner, and once you have a good knowledge on product owner, then you can become a product manager as well. I also mentioned name of Scrum Master because Scrum Master also extensively work with product owner. So other all stakeholders should aware what is the product owner, why we need him, what he do, right, how he do. So that's why I mentioned okay, this video will be beneficial for these all stakeholders. Before going to how or what a product owner do, I will just tell you the salary and career growth of the product owner. If someone has a good knowledge and a good experience around 8 to 12 years experience, then the salary range goes for start from 20 to 35. The maximum range, I think, on this Google, which we can see, is around 35 lakh rupees per year. But yeah, if you have more experience, then you can earn more. So it depends on the experience skills. Now we should also talk about the career growth. So once let's say today I am a product owner, what is the future career growth for me? So you can see here in future if you have good experience on product business acumen, then you can be a product manager in your company or in another company. And once you know a product on the CEO of a product, so if you have good catch on a product, how a product works from start to end, then you can become a CEO of a company. Same how Sundar Pichai did. And once you have a good catch or you have a lot experience CEO, then you will be knowing about all your company. Then you can open your own startup as an entrepreneur. So this was a quick insight regarding the salary and career growth. Now let's come on the topic of this course, the agenda. So in this video, we'll be talking about who is the product owner, why, like what is the reason that we need a product owner, then what product owner do actually, what is the responsibilities, and then how, what is his day-to-day activities and how he works. So in today's video, we'll only cover who is the product owner, why we need him, and what he do. How he works in daily life, we'll prepare a separate video and we'll discuss there. Now, first let me just explain you who is the product owner. First of all, before the agile in Waterfall, there was no role of product owner. There were functional guy, or you can say business analyst, or sometimes only senior managers. They will interacting between business and development team. Day to day and year by year, they thought okay, there should be a person. His name is business analyst. He should be interacting in between business and development team. But in agile world, the scenario has totally changed. So they in Scrum team they have given a role. It's called product owner. So product owner should have a good acumen on business side plus IT side as well. He will be understanding the product, and his main motto will be the maximizing the product value, right? So you see in the Scrum team there are three roles mainly: product owner, Scrum master, and developer. So product owner is one of the roles in Agile. So you hope you are clear who is the product owner. Product owner is a role which is well defined in Scrum team in Agile. They interact in between business and the development team. He also support so that's why I don't want to give too much time here. How he work, we'll discuss on separate call. After that, you will see why we need a product owner. So to understand the why, it means first we should understand. Let's say in some scenario, product owner is not there. So what I mean, let's say if you talk about the agile or if you talk about waterfall methodology. So in waterfall methodology, there was no product owner role. So in that case, that time it was very hard and manage the feature list because anytime the customer is coming, okay, I don't want this, I want this. Then a functional guy, that functional I do not have that much experience that yeah, he can say I will not work. We will not work on this item. No. How the business analyst, other functional guy work? Okay, you are saying we should take this feature. Yeah, we'll take this. Okay, you are saying we'll not take this feature. Will not take. No. Due to this, what was happening, the project delivery date were extended, overall project delivery date. They were also not able to achieve the goal which they set up at the initial time. So this was the point that yeah, anytime the customer was coming and he was adding a new feature, removing the new features, there was no one person who can say no, please don't don't touch the product backlog. In agile, there is a person they have defined product owner. So the word also defined like owner. He will be owning the product. He will be owning the backlog item. If anyone would like to add any item in backlog, he should discuss with the product owner. No one will add. Product owner will add. Remember? Neither from the business side nor from the IT side. So this is a good part because with the help of this product owner, we are able to manage our backlog items. We are able to prioritize our backlog items. This product owner thinks in that way, okay, if we develop this feature, how much outcomes or business value it will give. So that all experience, acumen, business the product owner will have. Another point, that's why we need him, right? Another point is, as I already told, maximize the product value. So earlier, due to that, no one prioritizing, no one thinking about what is the business value, whatever customer is saying, we were just relying. But yeah, so due to that, what was happening because customer don't know, customer know we will develop this feature, then we'll have some benefit, but customer doesn't know okay, what will be impacting in development side. Yes. Now, due to this conflict, the overall delivery or the value creation, business value, it was impacting. Of course, customer happy. Okay, I want this, and I got it. But from IT side, there were a lot of impact which we're having, which customer can't understand. Third point is why we need him, the product goal. So due to that shuffling and all, there was a functional guy, business analyst, you can say, he was not able to focus on the goal. So product owner always has a focus on the goal so that he will not distract from the other stakeholders. So I know one story. In my previous company, there was a sales team. They were having a meeting. I also was there. So one of sales guy came and they said, okay, I went to the customer, but he don't want this product, whatever product we have. So, but yeah, he has a good another requirement. If we can develop, then we can achieve something new. So that was also a good point. We can achieve something new, but no. The CEO said, okay, this is not our goal. We have a product, and our goal is to sell this product. Then only we can achieve our own organization or goal targets. If you go and if you miss your goal, then of course you will go to different stakeholders, different people you will meet. They will come and they will say, okay, no, we want this, but no, this is not the right way. Yes, we should focus what we have and just we have to deliver that. So these were the major reason, the three reasons that why we need the product one. He will be ensuring for these three topics: manage product backlog, maximize the product value, and he will always focus on the product goal. Now, how he will do it, we will discuss. Next. Now, our last today's topic is what is the product? भाई करता क्या है प्रोडक्ट. So as we already discussed in our previous slides, he do manage the product backlog. So as I said, he will be owning that backlog. No one can come and add. No one can reprioritize or prioritize. he is the person, he will understand the business requirement, he will understand the business value, and then he will do, right? So that there will be whole control over the backlog item. So it will not impact the overall project delivery timeline. It will not impact the value creation, right? And it will be fully man. He will be. It will be fully manage the business and the IT as well. Then the another what he also do this in responsibilities. He also do manage the stakeholders. So as I said, everyone interact in IT world. Every interact the business interact with IT and IT interact with the business. So they both are the stakeholders for each other. Yeah. But in business side, there will be multiple stakeholders. So there will be key stakeholder, there will be end user who will be the stakeholders, there will be some director, VPs, they all are the stakeholders, like who are directly or indirectly involved into the project or product work. If we just we see in IT side, of course, Scrum Master is a stakeholder. Or your development team is a stakeholder. Developer, QA, business analyst, they all are stakeholders. Your manager is stakeholders. Your IT director are stakeholders, which they are directly and indirectly are involved into this one. So product owner should have that experience and acumen that he can interact with the multiple stakeholders. Yeah. The third topic, what he do in daily life, that yeah, he also has a good involvement or interaction in Scrum events. Yeah. So of course, it is not mandatory that. So there, we have a multiple Scrum events like around daily stand up, then backlog refinement, sprint planning, sprint closure, and sprint demo. Yeah. So out of this five, let's take stock in around all meetings. He should be available, and once he's available, then he will also giving the insights regarding the meetings. So daily stand up, it is not necessary he come or not, that's fine. But if there is a backlog refinement meeting, it's must that product owner should available. He will be owning that meeting because he will be interacting with the business, he will be understanding the requirement, he will be writing down the acceptance criteria, he will verify the acceptance criteria. Right? So this is the main and sprint planning. The sprint planning also he will be owning the sprint planning meeting as well. Who will be available in that meetings, right? And then like who will do what, so he will be explaining the thing to the developers. Right? And sprint closer, yeah, at the end, what was developed, right? Is it okay or not? It is meeting the expectations or not? And then, of course, a sprint demo that also should be available so that you can see whatever you achieved, the stakeholders or business stakeholders are happy or not. The fourth point is incident manage incidents. Of course, once you are working on a project and it is go live, right, and you are developing or adding some features, there will be some incidents on the production. So he should, once the incident is resolved, of course he should work. The incident should be resolved based on the SLAs, and then once the incident is resolved, then he should understand why this incident was happened, what was the root cause, and he should take immediate action. Then, of course, they should write back. I should talk at the initial time. What is the product goal? So that we already discussed in a previous meeting. This he will always focus on the product goal. So let's say there's an application. It's called WhatsApp. A product goal that yeah, there should be a user who should be sending or receiving the emails or messages, right? And we have to achieve this modules in this date. So he will be keeping this goal, okay, what we have to achieve, when we have to achieve, right? And what will the business value. So these are the main five responsibilities which product owner do. Now in next slide we'll see how product owner works at day-to-day life. So I think this criteria or this part we'll take it up on next video, yeah, because then it will be stretching. So but yeah, like again rephrase this all whatever we have discussed, that yeah, so majorly it is more about like what is the product owner, why we need him, right? Who is that, in which methodology he comes. So there will be a more videos which will be coming up. So if I just talk about yeah, so the Scrum. So we'll be preparing a separate video for the Scrum. What is the Scrum? Everything about a Scrum. Then as I mentioned, Agile. So for Agile also there will be a separate video. Only explain one to one thing which we do in a daily life. Yeah, and yeah, these were all. Okay. And the good part is that I will also mention this PPT later on, that why you should watch this video. What is the different? What is different between these my videos and other YouTube channels? The point is that if you see Simply Learn, yeah, Edureka, so these all are business or commercial YouTube channels. So of course they also posted the videos, but those videos are like a trailer, right? They always share you the videos in term of trailer only, so that you can just go and see what they will teach you. Then you will go there and then you have to pay there. Then you will whole movie they will show you into that video in classroom. But here no, nothing, no trailer. It is a direct video. Yeah, and no money and no cost. And the thing which I am explaining you, this the day-to-day activity of a product owner, which you do. This is a practical thing which I'm explaining to you. Okay. So in our upcoming videos, we'll be having a live. We'll be doing the how a product owner work, when the requirement comes, how we divide. So everything we will discuss in our next video. Great then. Thank you very much for today's. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much.